guys, I got the box. Hey guys, welcome to today's video. So today I have a ThredUp mixed clothing unboxing. I know, I have a problem. I'm addicted to these things. I haven't had the most time to go thrifting, and I had a credit. All of those reasons, I bought another box, and every time I've gotten the 25 mixed clothing box, I've always had pretty good luck with it. I think that I paid like under 70 for this box. So usually I'll pay about 75. I think I had honestly about $10 in credit. So I think I paid about 65-ish for this box. I'd sent some things into ThredUp that had sold, and honestly whenever I sent all that stuff in, I didn't expect any of it to sell. I just wanted to try, and I did not want to continue selling it myself. So taking that credit to then purchase more things, and every time I've gotten this box, I've had pretty good luck with it. Fingers are crossed. Luck stays strong. I do know that this box came from Pennsylvania. I don't know if that's like still a thing anymore. All of my boxes have come from Pennsylvania. I think that they just ship from one place now. I don't think that they have like separate shipping ones, so I could be incorrect. So traditionally this is the 25 clothing for 60, but like I said, after taxes and shipping, I think, and my discount, I think I paid like 65. So let's just dive on in. Single piece of tissue paper laid to the side. Okay, pair of jeans in here first. Oh no, I already don't feel good. This is garage denim. I don't believe that this has any value, and it is a small size 27. It is a straight leg, which is good, but I think garage denim is just like the Junior's brand, so I don't think I'm gonna try to sell those. Probably will end up back at ThredUp. Oh, also I want to say, when I placed this order on Tuesday, like Tuesday morning, and it shipped Tuesday afternoon. So like they got it out right away. Today's Thursday. I got it in 2 days. It was crazy. The fastest I've ever gotten something. Okay, this is new tags. The tag on it says $100, so there's that. This is FDJ French dressing jeans, size 4. I don't know anything about this brand, but I will definitely look it up. It's just a little flannel. Really cute. Feels nice, but I will look that up. Okay, another new with tags. Promise dresses. I don't know how you say that brand right there, but it does have a $128 retail sticker on it. Just a little sheath career dress. I will most likely try to sell that, mainly because I need to be able to make my money back from this box. Though if half the box is worth selling, then it's essentially like I paid what I would pay at my thrift store. So if I can find at least 12 things worth, or 13 things worth selling, we will be in the clear. Articles of Society. I can't remember. I think that this is a good brand. Another pair of jeans. Interesting, since they have a denim box. Size 29. I don't see a style, but they have this very interesting pattern on them. They are a skinny jean. I will try to sell those. Okay. Some dress pants. Or, no. These are Athleta, size medium. No, they're Ponte pants. So they're like a career pant legging. I don't know what these are, because they look like they're going to be career pants, just like with the pockets and everything, but then there's like this ribbing on it and a zipper on the leg. I don't know who this is for, but I'm going to try to sell it. Okay, this is new at Tags J. Crew. I like that. Size 14, that's a good size. Little cool pant. Okay. Another new at Tags thing, a lot of new at Tags. This is Loft, extra small petite, so small size, but it's a little sweater dress. Oh my gosh, this is so cute for the holidays. I'm gonna have to get this up right away. I think that this is adorable. Darling is a word that comes to mind with this. Okay, yeah, 5% wool, so a very small amount of wool, but I was like, it feels Feels nice. Like, I love this color. I'm gonna have to get that up like right away before Thanksgiving and Christmas and all that. Oh my. What is this? Must know. Free People, size extra small. I definitely thought it was Johnny Was or something along those lines with this like embroidered sleeve. This is adorable. I also love this. We'll need to get this up soon as well. Again, with the coloring, I picture somebody wearing this to like Thanksgiving dinner with like a pair of leggings, and it's got like a peplum, like a high peplum though, so no one can see when you've eaten too much. It's lovely. But that's really, really cute. I like that. Okay, all right. The middle of the box has been more redeeming. A Madewell, size extra, extra small, so super tiny, but that's all right. Somebody wears this size, just a plain black button down. Okay, I'll sell that. The will for sure sell pile is growing, which is good. The Essential Skinny by Anthropologie, size 2. A small size again, but just a little career pant with this interesting, like, paisley floral. I don't know what this pattern is, but it's interesting. And I think somebody will like it, and I'm happy with the brand, so that's good. I think this is cute too. And Taylor Petites, size 0 petite small, but that's okay. But I love the tweed, and I love the shimmery sparkles in this. Come on now, with some tights. Please. This is Max Studio Special Edition, 70% cotton, 30% silk, size small. I usually don't sell Max Studio, but this is cute. Just a little lightweight top, and I like that it is a silk blend. I get kind of like whimsy goth from this because it's very dainty, but it's also like that black color. So next, what are you? Am I being done? Oh, this is what? Oh, okay. All right. I think I got it now. I think I understand this top. It is a top. It is a one shoulder top from Zara. It is a size small, but this is cute. Look at this. This is so adorable. I love this. If I could wear this, I would, but I cannot. I think this is the front. Yes, this is the front. We're struggling. It is late at night. I did not get much sleep last night. I'm so tired, but this is the only time I could film in the quiet once this box arrived. Okay, what are you? Thing with a pretty bow. It has an RN number, but no other tags. I don't recognize the RN number, but it is cute. There's no size tag or brand tag or anything like that, but it is a cute little shirt. I might just try to look up the RN. It's got this little bow that ties at the neck. I might try to look up that RN just to see if it's anything. This is Banana Republic, size 2. Little skirt. Oh, I like the button detail. That's pretty with this fun cheetah leopard print. I don't know the difference. I'm sorry, I just don't. These are nice. DL1961. I think that this is an okay brand. Looks like it's supposed to be the Florence Skinny, if that's what this says. It's rubbed off. I'll show you. Size 27. But they feel really well made. They feel like good quality jeans. So I will look these up just to be sure, but I'm pretty sure those will be a sell. All right. Allison Daly Petite. I don't think Allison Daly is anything. It is a cute little embroidered basic top, a petite medium, but I don't think it's anything. I will look it up just to be sure though. Banana Republic tailor fit, size 4 petite, just a basic. I believe that this is navy blue button down. Karen Millen. I don't know how you say that brand, but it's a size 2. Little turtleneck sweater. That's cute. I need to look this up. I don't know anything about it. And I can't see anything on... Oh, wait. Okay, I thought maybe that it had a, like, silk or something in it, but it's just polyester viscose. I'm gonna look that up before I say definitively, because I don't know about it. J. Crew size 2 tweed skirt. It's cute. You can use, like, academia and that. Career workwear. Oh, this is good for the times made well, size small, little sherpa, like a cropped kind of heavy duty sherpa. Definitely will sell that. New with tags again. This is authentic icon, size medium. They are little sequin shorts. I don't know anything about it. The retail tag says 58, but I'm gonna look it up just to see if it's worth it. Karen Millen again, size 10 this time though. This, I believe, is a strapless dress. Yes, little strapless dress. That's cute. That's a cute little dress. But again, I'm gonna look it up. But I think it feels nice. So I think that is something. Next, this is Imperio Armani. I don't know if that's like a Giorgio Armani type. I would assume so, made in Italy. I think the size says 46. Though I'm not, don't quote me on that. I don't know. Oh, Lana wool, 89% Lana wool. I don't know what these pants are. Pants. Okay. I think that this is good, but I don't know. I'll have to look it up because I don't know. Alright, and then the last thing in the box is, oh, Kate Spade, 14 youth. Okay. So it's a Kate Spade children's little dress. Oh, I'll definitely try to get this up soon. Again, for the holidays, because a girl will wear like a long sleeve white shirt with some like tights under this. Maybe a cardigan for Christmas or Thanksgiving. Alright, that was all. Let me count. There's one thing, the garage denim, that I'm for sure not selling. But that's still 1, 2, 15 pieces that I'm for sure selling. This one I need to look up because I have no idea about it. And then 9 things total that I need to look up. So I got 25 pieces, just like I was supposed to. I always double check that. Let me know how you think I did. Like I said, 15 pieces. My cost of goods is 65. So what's that make it like? It's just a little bit over $4 a piece. Not too bad. I definitely think I'll be able to make my money back, and I definitely know that there's probably at least half of the stack that I put to the side, the half of the 9 that I think that I'm gonna try to sell anyway, so that lowers my cost of goods even more, which is awesome. But let me know how you think my box was down below. Again, these are always a gamble, but I'm addicted to the chase. It's the thrill of the find, and the thrill of the mystery, and these darn boxes, they're gonna get me every time. But that's okay because it's easy inventory and I don't always have time to go to the thrift store as much as I would like to. Though I did just film a very large thrift haul from today. So yeah, let me know how you think everything was in my box down below. Be sure to subscribe, stay tuned for more. In my description box, I do have my closets as well as my husband's. I also have a link for ThredUp if you are looking to buy. I don't know if it works on risky boxes, but it does work on their site. And yeah, be sure to subscribe, give the video a thumbs up, stay tuned, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.